So I actually searched online on Google. I did some research, and from what I've seen, you are the most reviewed. And I also know Mike from Instagram, and that one was also one of the reason why I actually trust even more. But I already from what I've seen from reviews, almost 4,000. You have like the double of review of what I saw was the competitor, and also the process was really smooth.
Show me your hair loss, like firstly frontal or like frontal and also
It's
the
like,
crown.
a little bit on the back also.
Okay, and what are your expectations for today, Luca?
So just a little bit of fill up in the zone that I think are a little bit too.
Oh, here's your doctor.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Welcome, Dr. Ali Osman.
Welcome. How's it going?
We are talking about hair loss, so we are at that point, you know.
Now we talked about his medical situation and his history, and we made an examination about his hair transplantation. We saw his donor area and the beard and the chest. We use these three areas for the donor, but the main donor is the hair. The thickness of the beard is a little higher than the hair, and the thickness of the chest is a little lower than the hair. He needs all three areas, the front, the mid, and the crown. His donor seems that it can give us 3,600 up to 4,400 grafts. Now, we will start with the haircut. It's for free for him, okay? Then we will make anesthesia for the donor area and start taking grafts. If the number will be around 4,500, it will be a good density on the kneading. After the extraction, if the number will not be too high as we expected, we will take some from his beard. The front will have a high density because the frame of our face is the front. When somebody looks at us, they see the front first. And if his front area will have a good density, they think that Luca is a guy that has lots of hair. So we will start from the front and implant a good density on the front and go as much as back on the mid and the crown area. I hope that the operation will take like 6 to 8 hours, and we will talk with Luca during the operation many times. Hope that it will be a good transplantation for him and for us. Have a good day.
Here again after the operation. What to say? It's only one day after my first hair transplant, so I had no really experience to compare. But what I can say is just that I feel great. It's just one day is gone, and I had no pain at all. That was most of the people have asked me. My friend also, this is painful, it's painful. So I had several operations on my body. But what I can say from my previous, what I have now, I have to say that that's for me was from 5 to 6 in a scale of from 1 to 10. That's not really big to me. The only thing that I can say is they begin because the anesthesia, as I know it, I work as a nurse, so I know that it's a little bit painful, but after that you have like 5-6 puff, you don't feel anything else. So that is my opinion, I know, but I feel like there's nothing can nothing go wrong when it's only about 4 to 6 hours. And then you're gonna have results. So just looking forward for the final results, as it's gonna take from 10 to 14 months, and then then let's see what this brings to me. The team, what to say about the team? The team was really, really great. All were so gentle to me. Surgeon was every 2 hours stepping in the room just to control that everything was fine. Yeah, that is it. I'm just proud to have chosen this clinic. Yeah, what I can say, my research were good. I'm satisfied from the research. But what I've seen from Smile Hair Clinic, they are, I don't know if they are the biggest yet, but with this following this flow, probably they will be the best clinic in Istanbul. That's it. Follow the true transformation.